Let's talk electronic books, ebooks, audiobooks. It's more important than ever to keep your brain sharp. So you got to read. That's it. Sorry, you got to read. Most of our electronic books are available through the SORA app. So let's head over to the Media Center website and check out where you can find the SORA app. Click on that tab, Mustangs at a Distance. And when you scroll down, you'll see Read, and there's the SORA link. When you get to the SORA link, you're going to find My School. Some of the time, your school doesn't pop right up, but that's not a problem. Click on My School Isn't Listed, and then just start typing in Earl B. Wood, and it'll show up. Click on This is My School. It'll prompt you to sign in using Montgomery County Public Schools. When you click here, you will be prompted to put in your MCPS information. It's important to note here that when you're prompted to sign in, that you use your student ID at mcpsmd.org, not .net. I know that we use .net for everything, but it's just the way it is for the SORA app. I can't explain the rationale for this, but that is what you have to do. So sign in, student ID at mcpsmd.org, and just use your regular password. Once you're in, you'll see Montgomery County Public Schools at the top, and you can start looking for some books. Right at the top are called the Sweet Reads. These books are available all the time, and these books are available all the time. Don't have to worry about waiting for them. You can click on any of them and listen to them or read them. They also have the Harry Potter series completely free till July 31st. Black Eyed Susan nominees, got the Book Wars 2019. But if you scroll the whole way down, you're going to see books that we have just added, new ebook editions. If you click here, you're going to see all the books that were just added recently. I bought a bunch of poetry books, books in Spanish, some graphic novels, lots of fiction. Pick some DIY books because, hey, you got to keep yourself busy. So check them out. All you have to do is click on the one that you want, and you can click borrow, and the book will open up. Easy peasy. There's something else, though, that I want to show you. You can link your SORA app to Montgomery County Public Libraries now, which is pretty awesome because then that opens up a whole new world of ebooks and audiobooks at your disposal. So to do that, you click over on this little hamburger. I don't know why they call it a hamburger, but whatever. 3 lines on top of each other. It's a hamburger. Click. And you're going to see Add a Public Library. If you click there, you're going to type in Montgomery County Public Libraries. Make sure that you look for Montgomery County Public Libraries because there are other Montgomery counties in the United States. We are not the only one, even though we like to think that we are. So click on This is My Library. And now you are looking at Montgomery County Public Libraries, all of their ebooks and audiobooks that are available to you, which is pretty fantastic. When you go to borrow one, if you see, you're going to probably see Place Hold. When you click on Place Hold, it's going to prompt you to sign in. Now, when you sign in, it's going to ask for your library card number and your PIN. Well, what do you do if you don't have one? It is so easy to do. With a couple of clicks and some help from your parents, you can sign up for a digital library card. And again, that information is right here on the Mustangs at a Distance tab. If you scroll down till you see SORA plus MCPL, add an MCPL digital library card, It'll take you to the online registration form where you fill out this information. It's important that you do this with a parent, and also it's also important that the email address that you supply just cannot be your student ID at mcpsmd.net, because you cannot receive emails from the public library with your Gmail accounts. So it's important that you use a private email. You can, if you have one, you can supply it, or if you want to use your parents, that's totally fine here. For your PIN, choose your birth year, because if you ever go to upgrade your digital library card and get a full service library card, most likely they are going to use your birth year as your PIN. So I recommend that you do that. Once you fill this all out and register, you'll get an email with your library card number, and then you put your PIN in, which is your birth year, and then sign in. Once you've signed in, you might still see place hold for some books that are not available, but you can explore all of the books that are out there. Checking out a book is just as easy as it was on the SORA app for our school. You just click on the audiobook or the book that you want, and again, you click borrow, and the book is added to your shelf. Easy peasy.